Bring your paper. You sit down over there. Yeah, Bula. We're starting our week 2 class today. Those of you listening in from wherever you are, and big Bula to you. This is a Hamilton class. Unfortunately, there's only one student here today, but we're not going to give up hope and continue our learning. And if you're listening in today, thank you for joining us. Today we have some good lessons in store. And we'd like to start off with introductions, how to do introductions in Fijian. So there's 3 important things that you should know when you are introducing yourself in Fijian. One is where you're from, Nomokoro. Second is your Koronivasu, which is where your mother is from. And of course you have to know your name. And if you don't know your name, you're pretty bad. Just kidding. So your name, Nomukoro Nivasu. So you start off with Navangu o Aisea, Nanongukoro o Nambuna, Koro Lomaiviti, Nongukoro Nivasu o Naingani Verata Telebo. So that's how you start off with your introduction. So Navangu o Nongukoro o Nongukoro Nivasu o. So I'll just bring up the screen for that. So if you're listening in, I'm just bringing up the screen for the introductions. Okay, here we go. So this is Rekindavaki, or greetings, Rekindavaki. So if you remember the lessons for the Isema, these are all joined together, so Rekindavaki, or greetings. So you can write this down, Vangu o, fill in your name, Nongukoro o, that's where you're from, Auvasu I, that's your where your mother is from. So if you're not indigenous Fijian, no problems. Navangu or Alice or Peter, Nongukoro, that's which city you're from. So for example, you can say Nongukoro or Hamilton, New Zealand. Auvasu is, if your mother is from Christchurch in New Zealand, you will say Auvasu I Christchurch, New Zealand. So try practicing that. Navangu o Nongukoro o Auvasu I. We've got one student here today. Would you like to try that, Aaron?
Okay.
If you got it there.
Yep.
You want to write it down first? I'll be switching screens temporarily just to check if there's any comments on our stream, and then we'll continue with our lesson. Do you want to give it a go?
Okay. Pula na zangu
Hold on.
o
There you go.
pula na zangu o Aaron no kukoro o Hamilton New Zealandi no kukoro ni vasu no tokoviti.
Winaka. So give it a go. Nungu koro o au vasu I. Start with na vangu o. So if you want us to email you these PDF documents of our class today, please comment with your email, and I will send you the class PDF handouts for today. Let's go on to our Willy Willy. Our Willy Willy. So Willy Willy is what we're going to do today is count from 1 to 20. So that's the Willy Willy. I'll just bring up the slideshow for that, and then we'll switch screens. So, okay, Willy Willy. Let's start off with 1. So repeat after me, Kas. Dua,
Dua,
Rua,
rua,
Tolu,
tolu,
Wa,
wa,
Lima,
lima,
Hono,
ono,
Witu,
itu,
Walu,
walu,
Viwa,
diwa,
Sini,
tini,
Sini Kandua,
tini kandua,
Sini Karua,
tini karua,
Sini Katolu,
tini katulu,
Sini Kava,
tini kaba,
Sini Kalima,
tini kalima,
Sini Kaono, Sini Kavitu,
tini kavitu,
Sini Kawalu,
tini kawalu,
Sini Kariwa,
tini kariwa,
Rosangabulu.
rosa gavu.
Okay. We'll stop there for now, and I'll just switch off. Yeah, unfortunately.